Good morning, good people. This morning I'm going to show y'all how to I'm distracted by a bug. Good morning. I'm going to show y'all a glimpse of me opening the clinic today. I ain't got my tripod, so I'm gonna do what I can. Okay. So let's go to the back. Let's see where I am first. Okay, other side. All right, here we go. Water room. It's always dark. Sheesh. Getting up this morning early, you got to be ready. You ain't gotta worry about a thing. Oh shoot. If you're home. Say, did they change the password? They didn't tell me. Now my light is green. I wish I could turn this around. Green. Operation green. Oh, somebody made green glow. Okay. I'm cutting on my RO. I'm checking my timers. So you see right here, you gotta make sure your timers are right. On your water softener, carbon tank, the spider web, secondary, carbon, oh sorry, wait. Okay, secondary carbon tank, checking your pressure numbers. Okay, 58. Primary carbon tank, make sure your numbers, make sure your timers are working. All the timers have to be closed. What's that? Pressure numbers. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna go around and disrupt the silence. Sometimes you come in and possibly a machine or more may have not fully cut off throughout the night. Why? I don't know. But what I do know is, I'm gonna cut that guy off. Cut these on. If you have a situation where you walk in and a machine is not normal, then you need to make sure you let the person know whose pot it is. That way, if they have issues, then they have a way to follow back. They have a fall through situation. They have a way to where they can track what happened. Instead of get in and then try to figure out, why is my machine not working? I should have brought my little microphone, because I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I started speaking up. All right, we got a little beepity beep beep. This alarm, one of my least favorite. Somehow, y'all see this look like they're fine. Sometimes it means they need a little more oomph, because I'm one-handed right now. And then when you put it in rinse, it should, see how it's not going away? It should go away when you put it in rinse. Okay? Should. But I'm just going to each one, press and rinse. In the morning, you don't press nothing but rinse. Now when it's time to go, That's when you press other things. But in the morning, nothing but a rinse. Another error. This is when I see in the morning. It'll mess you up. Now, here go the acid connector. Sometimes it be nothing wrong. Nothing. I got an O-ring. But it's not. A lot has happened this morning, okay? Boom. I advise if you're able to come early and set up machines when you are being precepted, do it, okay? This will give you time. I would even say time yourself. Time yourself while you're setting up the machines. Because setting up dialysis machines is one of the most important parts of our job, okay? It's the main thing that we do. And how setting it up to where nothing happens and there's not, errors. Like, there's gonna be things that happen, okay? You can't control everything. But setting up your dialysis machine can make or break your day, especially in first shift. So if you can come early and set up machines, do that, okay? And again, time yourself. Because at some point, like, I know me, sometimes it just depends on the day. Okay, not gonna lie to you. It depends on the morning. But it might take me, I feel like it takes me like 30 full minutes to set up my machines and the nurses. Set up my machines and the nurses. Oh, sorry, y'all. And have time to get all my prep together for my patients before they hit the door, before they come in. That's not always possible. And it sounds like a rumbling over there. I got to see what's going on. Could be nothing. I got the ears where I pay attention to every sound going on in the clinic. I don't know why it sounds like that. Keep note of that. I'll keep note of that. Now, why this one saying no water? No water? How you ain't got no water? Oh, the other ones got water. Why you ain't got water? Why don't you have water? I don't know why that sound like a coffee pot on the stove. Anyways, see, as you see, I done got here early. If you don't get in early enough, as early as you can or am allowed to, then you come in and you face problems and you don't deal with them, or you're not able to deal with them in decent time, or like it puts you back. So come as early as they allow, okay? I need to set these machines up. Now, I'll be back. Why don't you have... Nothing's coming out of here. This is the other machine. Oh, could it be this? This is product water. Is that it? That was it. That was it. Come on. Troubleshooting.